Hello, my name is Barry Gross. Today I want to introduce to you a brand new way to get an absolutely scratch-free shine on any of your acrylic material. This is a new mandrel system that is called the Acrylic Pen Buffing System. It works off a mandrel like this, that all you do is simply remove your turning mandrel, pop this in, and you're ready to go. You have your first spacer comes on here like this, your muslin polishing wheel goes on here, your next spacer goes on, your cotton wheel, your polishing wheel that is, and then your nut to secure everything down. Once this is on, you're ready to go. You just merely pop this in, charge this wheel up with your special plastic polishing rouge, and then you just polish it away. Your first step, you're going to sand off any scratches that you have on there with the 220 or 320, whichever you choose. Then use these colored pads with water. These are specially designed to polish acrylics. These are the same things that they polish helicopter windshields with. Therefore, it gives a really, really good shine with it. So, when you're finished with that, okay, you can take, if you have one step or if you have any other type of polishing compound like this, or if you have Novus or any of the other quick polishes, you can use that, and then as a final step, this, and you get the results that are absolutely perfect. So let's take a minute, okay, we'll go over to the lathe and show you how to do it from that point. Alright, now we're back over to the lathe, and you can see this is a lot of scratches. I'm just going to show you. What I normally do is just remove the scratch marks very quickly with 320 or whatever I use, 220, whatever you choose. I'll stop this, and you can see there's a lot of scratches on there right now. Now your next step is I'm going to place a towel underneath here like this, and now we're going to wet sand this whole thing. Again, the first one is the 600 grit, and you're going to see a nice slurry coming on here. You see all this material on here like that. You can wipe this off, wipe that off in between, and next we'll go to the green side. Now these are specially formulated, as I said before. They're double-sided, so it makes it really quick to do this. And you can see I'm only doing this for maybe 8 to 10 seconds per side like that. Wipe this off, do that. You can reuse these over and over and over again. Your next one is 2400. I'm sorry, 1500. This is 15. I don't want to screw anybody up. Alright, so 1500, and again, you get a lot of slurry on here. Your purple side is 2400. Wipe this off, wipe that off. Now we're going to go to the 4000, and you can really start to see it shine right now. And then your last one is going to be your gray side, which is 12,000. And again, it's not that long that I'm putting this on here for. Wipe that off. Your final step, take your scratch remover, a little bit on your finger like that, put it on here. Take a clean portion of the towel, buff this out. I'm going to stop my lathe, take this off, remove this. I'm going to take the whole thing out right about now. Smack that right out. I'm going to pop in the buffing mandrel as we talked about before. Lock this down. Now I want to place, again, on my blue wheel, or my muslin wheel here, I'm going to charge it up with a little bit of the plastic polish. Do not put any on the plastic polish on the cotton muslin wheel here. Just a little bit on here like that. And then I'm going to hit this like this. And this does a beautiful job removing any micro scratches that you have on there. If you do high-end pen shows, the first thing they'll do is pick it up and look at it under a 10x loupe, magnifying loupe, to see if there's any scratches. By doing this, you will get absolutely no scratches whatsoever. Turn this off, and I don't know if you can really see this in the light. I can turn it all different ways. There's not a single scratch in there, and that's how simple this whole system is. Extremely quick, easy, and look at the finish you get on this. Now also, you can use, if you do a CA finish, you can apply your CA finish, wet sand it as you normally would, and then again you just buff it with this. You can also use it for deer antler, because I do a lot of deer antler as well. Sand it out to 800, then I use the Abralon pads, and then throw it on here and buff it, and you're done. That's as quick and easy as it is, and I thank you very much for watching this quick little video on the acrylic pen buffing system.